Given the pairs of points, determine whether the segment that joins them is horizontal, vertical, or neither. Remember, if the y coordinates are the same, it is going to be horizontal. In the second one, no part of it is the same. You see the x coordinates, one's negative and one's positive, and the y coordinates are also opposites. So this one would be neither. Then in the third one, we see that the x coordinates are the same, so this is going to be vertical. You can either just memorize this fact, or you might even just sketch it out on a graph really quickly. Go to -7, 1, and -7, 4, and you'll see, oh yeah, that's going to be up and down. For these, we want to cross off the things that are the same about both of them. And then we worry about the pieces that are not. So I'm always going to put the one that has the bigger absolute value in front. We've got -6 and 1. We've got -9 and -3. 16 and 1. And 12 and 0. If they have the same sign, we subtract. If they have different signs, we add. 7 plus 3, or 7 minus 3 is 4. 6 plus 1 is 7. 9 minus 3 is 6. 16 minus 1 is 15. And 12 minus 0 is 12.